In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted design in Canva. This process is quick, straightforward, and will help you breathe a little easier knowing your hard work isn't lost forever. First, let's begin by heading over to the Canva homepage. If you're not already logged in, this is the time to do so with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your Canva dashboard where all of your current projects reside. It's like your creative hub right there at your fingertips. Now take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice there's a button which resembles 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is often referred to as the menu button because of its similar look to a typical menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a navigation panel that'll give you access to various parts of Canva, including your account settings and features. The area we're interested in here is labeled as Trash. So what you want to do next is scroll down just slightly under the menu you've just opened. You'll see the Trash option right there. Give it a click. This section is dedicated to all the designs you've previously deleted. Think of it like a digital safety net where accidental mistakes can be easily fixed. Once you're in the Trash section, you'll be able to view all the designs that have been deleted from your account. Each one of them displayed for you to review. If there's a specific design you're looking to restore, hover your mouse over it. You should see a set of 3 small dots appearing vertically alongside that particular design. These dots are another type of menu, allowing you to select actions pertinent to that item. Now click on those 3 dots. A drop-down list of options will appear. Look for and select Restore to bring your deleted design back to the land of the living. Once you click this, the design will be moved out of the trash and back onto your main dashboard where it can be further edited or used as needed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully restored a deleted design in Canva. This not only saves you time, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing your creative work is never truly gone, just a few clicks away. Next time you accidentally delete something, remember it's easy to rectify. Your creativity is always safe with Canva. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks in Canva and other creative platforms. See you in the next video.